how to create a new Microsoft account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Microsoft.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Microsoft. In here, go ahead and tap on the sign in option on the top right of your screen and you will be led to the login portal. Go ahead and tap on the create an account option you see there and further enter a valid email address and then tap on next. You will then be required to enter a password, or you will be required to enter the verification code sent in your email. So go ahead and enter the verification code, and once you have entered the verification code, you will be required to choose your country or region and enter your date of birth. Once you are done entering your country or region and the date of birth, tap on next and you will be required to enter your first name and your last name. Once entered, tap on next again and you will now be required to solve a verification for CAPTCHA for verification purpose. So go ahead and solve the CAPTCHA on the screen, and once solved, with this your account on Microsoft will be created, as you can see here on the screen. So this was about how you can create a new Microsoft account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.